Hi everybody. We're going to be making gnocchi this Saturday, and so I figured out a way to have you practice one of the techniques for making any kind of gnocchi. So I've got some Play-Doh, and this is how the Play-Doh came out, and I made a little snake. I actually make longer snakes, but I just made one this long for you. It's roughly a half an inch in diameter, this part of the snake is. So you roll it like that, and then you're going to cut little pieces of it like this. And then the technique for making gnocchi, and I'm doing it on wax paper, you can do it on a paper bag, is to put that like that, and you're going to use these two fingers, and you're going to push down on the little roll of dough and push it towards you and roll it. And what you have to get used to is the amount of pressure to exert when you're doing that. So here's another one. Put it like that, use these two fingers, and roll it towards you like that. And another technique for doing it is to use the tines of a fork. So I have just a regular fork, and I place the little ball of dough on the fork, and then I'm going to roll it down the tines of the fork like this. And that way the dough would have little ridges on it like this. I actually like to use a fork that's a little bit thinner than that. But that's a way to practice the technique for making these little pieces of dough. And we do this to it. Some recipes call for you just to make the snake and to cut little pillows. But I always think the dough is more tender if you do that. And this is a technique that's actually used to make a lot of other kinds of pasta, like cavatelli, which you make with real pasta dough rather than the kind of dough you make for gnocchi. See you Saturday.